In example 2b here, I'm going to go through both strategies again, both options for solving my exponential equation where I have different bases. So you can see both strategies, again, both ways to solve the problem, and hopefully you'll have a better idea of what you like better. So here it is, 5 minus 3 to the x power equals negative 100, or negative 40. Well, either strategy that we want to use, we need to start off by getting this exponential piece by itself. Subtract 5 from both sides. I'd have negative 3 to the x power equals negative 45. Well, right now, it's really important to remember the difference between negative 3 to the x power, like how it's written, or if there were parentheses around this. This, be careful, it's kind of deceiving, remember, is like negative 1 times 3 to the x power. So before I do anything with logarithms, I need to get rid of this negative. Divide both sides by negative 1. Three to the x equals positive 45. Now here is where I'll split apart into the two different strategies. First strategy that we saw in our last video is to write this as a logarithm. So the base for my exponent right here is a 3. That's the base for my log. Log base 3 of 45 equals x. And in this case, x is already by itself. It's always a good idea to, I didn't go through this in the last video, but it's always a good idea to double check that we can't evaluate this log any further. Does 3 to a power give me 45? No. And really, if it did, we would have been able to see this a little bit earlier here. So x equals log base 3 of 45. My second option, once I got here, the 3 to the x power equals 45, we could take the log of both sides. That would give me the log of 3 to the x power equals the log of 45. Then we use our log property to pull this x out front. X log of 3 equals the log of 45. To get x by itself, let's divide both sides by the log of 3. So x equals the log of 45 over the log of 3. Again, either way that you want to solve this is up to you. Hopefully you're starting to get a better idea of what you like better.